Welcome back for another Litecoin price prediction analysis, and in this video I will be sharing my next price targets and also give you the price action to expect on the Litecoin chart in the next coming hours. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Litecoin is holding below a key area of resistance at around the $82.65 mark, which is now acting as a resistance for us to continue gearing up. And the moment Litecoin is able to break above that key area of resistance, I will be watching for a successful retest. And once the retest is in and a success, then we can easily see Litecoin continue gearing up towards the $90 mark, where we have our next key areas of resistances. We have also been seeing a bit of a breakdown move after seeing the Litecoin halving event, where we have been breaking down in the formation of a larger ETH12 count 2, basing my analysis on the ETH12 structures, where you can now see that we have fully maximized the minimum retracement area for the second wave highlighted on the charts using this red target area. And all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of this first wave to the upper side, and that was after seeing a low on the 14th of June at around the $70.9 mark, where you can see that we started gearing up, obeying the ETH12 structures, where we peaked in the formation of that wave 1, then a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and then the wave 5 gave us a high above the $115 mark, completing the formation of that first wave to the upside. Then we have now seen a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 2, and there are high chances that we have now bottomed out in the formation of this wave 2, and basing it on the ETH12 structures, Litecoin has the chances of starting to gear up impulsively in the formation of a larger ETH12 count 3. And since there are high chances that the low for the second wave is in, if I give you minimum target areas to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3, by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, I get a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $151.89 mark. And that is the minimum that we can expect Litecoin to do in the formation of that wave 3, basing it on the ETH12 structures. Alternatively, in case Litecoin does not manage to break above significant areas of resistances and we continue seeing further weakness on the charts, we lose this red target area that I have over here, having the lower side of the target area at around the $80.63 mark, which is the last bullish support area that I'm keeping my eyes on. In case such a movement plays out and we continue seeing further breakdown, then that will be suggesting that Litecoin is going to unlock an even more bearish scenario here on the charts, where we can expect further breakdown, having the next target areas at around the $70 mark. And from that point, we can either find support and see a bit of a recovery to the upper side, maybe see a consolidation before we can continue even seeing lower prices back to the 70, that is the maybe areas lower than 70, the $70 mark. That is another possible scenario that you also need to have in mind. Also, taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 35 mark, fully supporting higher prices. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.